SwiftReporter's pre-built templates help you get started quickly with professional, industry-tested inspections, no setup required. Step 1. Go to the top left and choose Select Template or use Manage Templates from the right-hand column. Step 2. Under Select Template, find Pre-built Templates. Click 1 to copy it into your My Templates list. From there, you can use it as is or customize it to suit your inspections. Start with standard templates, match them to your inspection type, and review the structure before committing. Pre-built templates provide a solid foundation while allowing full customization. Pre-built templates save time, reduce errors, ensure consistent professional reports, and include comprehensive coverage based on industry standards. Select a pre-built template today and streamline your inspections with confidence and efficiency. We're continually updating our library, so if there's a template you think we should add, reach out and let us know.